if you're into plein air painting or just painting maybe because of work or traveling or a student out of a pochade box, the Pissarro oil primed linen panels are a product that you would probably really like to know about, discover, maybe explore a little bit. They come in packs of 2. It's a really nice professional grade Pissarro linen. It's oil primed, so it's ready for oil painting. It's mounted on a 1/8 inch thick Sintra foam board. Now that's a really nice, durable foam board that's going to allow for the panel to be light but still stiff. This is flexing it. That's about all the flex you're going to get out of it. So it's a really nice, durable surface that's still very light. A pack of 2 is just this small and lightweight. They weigh next to nothing, but they're still a nice, sturdy, thick board that you can get nice little studies or even finished oil paintings out of. It's just a little quick study with oil paint on that Pissarro linen. The beauty of these is, besides the lightweight and the priming, you can get 2-pack panels. They fit most pochade boxes. I think we've got one for every side and then some size and then some. You can take multiple ones traveling with you. You could easily fit, 6, 8, 10, 12 in a suitcase. That's not going to weigh you down. That'll be nice and lightweight for carrying into an area if you're going to be backpacking in to paint. If you're going to be, just traveling with a suitcase and you don't, or even a carry-on, and you don't want, you want professional grade materials with you, but you don't want to have to, be lugging a giant box through the airport with canvases. The Pissarro oil prime linen panels are definitely a product that you would enjoy and that would help you make painting much more portable.